This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Beth Robbins. This lovely, open floor plan home boasts a cathedral ceiling in the spacious living room, custom kitchen, and dining area. The cozy sunroom adds additional space to relax and enjoy the private mountain view. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath includes a master suite with a large walk-in closet. The home also has a laundry room with lots of storage, and a 2-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Robbins at 606-248-4932.